Hi, I have something to share with you, and it's something that I've been working on for quite a while, and it's finally here. Most of you know me as a friend or through my days at NBC Universal and Disney, or pedaling down the coast of California on the AIDS Life Cycle, or I might have carried you up a mountain or two, either in person or through my social media posts while I was a trail mixer. What you may not know though is that all of that was directing me to something new. On May 8th, I passed my National Academy of Sports Medicine Personal Training certification at 62. And no, I'm not hanging up my designer hat yet. Those jobs are still welcome. But this is a new chapter on my career, and I decided to do something that I truly believe in. I created Knetic64 to help adults 50 and older, and all ages really, to build strength, mobility, and stability on their day-to-day lives. I've been there, and I have experienced very different changes in the past 10 years especially, and I realized that I needed to work out to be fit and not to just look fit. And that changed everything. So follow me on this journey, and I'm going to be posting about a lot of things, but mostly how I got myself out of pain into strength, mobility, and stability, but most importantly, functionality. So if you or somebody you know want to move with intention, go to my website, Knetic64.fit, or just tap the link on my bio, or DM me. Come get moving with me.